Now it's almost 1 a.m. of 11th March 2023. Fire department and forest along with the volunteers from Navili Biodiversity, Village Panchayat Navili, as well as volunteers from Dharmapur, Silni, we are here. Fire department officer Gil sir is here. They got a call at around, sir, around 7:15 they got a call, and same time Sarpanch Avita called me saying that the fire on Dharmapur Hillock, which we have dosed day before yesterday, that is on 8th of March, which was caught, and 9th we have completely dosed it off. But it is again, they have informed us there's a fire on the same hillock, Dharmapur Hillock. And it was very difficult for us to dose this fire because it was almost in small pockets, and it was tiny bushes. And along with the help of forest and fire brigade personnel, they were going from the foothills and forest, and we volunteers, we went from the top. And now this fire, what we have seen is entered this hillock again from the Digarpali side, where the black basalt quarries are there, and from there it was engulfed again to this hillock. Bento was there with me, Sani, and here Juliet is my wife, along with Elijah, my children. They were ground zero as a ground support to inform us. Roy was here. Where's Roy? Yeah, where's Roy? Roy was here. He was also just giving us logistic. Because when we are in the forest, we cannot identify exactly which spot the fire is. Even my son Michael was taking a videograph and sending us, marking the spots. We have a forest department official Biva here. He was very helpful for us to cut the bushes, where the tiny bushes, because it was very difficult to cross inside. We have here Julio. He is also forest officer here, and he was so much helpful for us because we were not used to go through this forest path, especially through the bushes. And another forest officer, Vinod sir is here. So, and along with the fire officer, these are the new recruits, two of them. Baba, तुझे नाव सांग रे? Atar, fire officer.
Mother Origin, firefighter.
And here we have a Gil sir, everybody knows him. So